So we've been trying to add some diversity to the pigs' diet. They've been living off of sorghum and corn for a while, but we're gonna feed them some potatoes, some apples today, see if they like that. Going for the potatoes. Oh, that one's got an apple. Yep, he likes the apple. All you can hear is trombone noises. Tearing up those potatoes. Yeah, I think potatoes and apples is definitely on their favorite list. It's a winner. Give them some of this sorghum, and then got a couple things of corn we'll throw in there. Give them kind of a diverse diet here. So they're getting a good diet that is all just scraps, stuff that we don't use. You know, potatoes we've had too long, and it's stuff that we grew ourselves. You know, we grew all this Mennonite sorghum. I didn't get to it for the to get some molasses out of it, but it's not going to waste. I'm glad to see it. It's giving them a good high sugar content so they can get their energy, especially when, you know, the temperatures have been really low. You know, they have plenty of energy, plenty of calories, and you know, the field corn we grew, basically free food for them. Not free, but we worked for it, but and you know, had to buy seeds and whatnot, but pennies on the dollar compared to buying feed pellets for them. And they seem to be pretty happy with it.
David's over there just like...
Pickles, what are you doing? Leave that bird alone. Poor chickie. So we got our chicks here that we hatched out, and it's been super cold. So we've had them inside for about 3 weeks, and they're getting to be about the size where we're gonna try to put them out in the coop. So I'm introducing them now to the other chickens, and we'll feed the pigs. We're gonna get some minerals to the sheep, so the beginning of their pregnancy they can get in all the minerals that they need to have healthy babies. Oh, David wants it. Oh, he took it. He's gonna go over there and eat it. Pig's got sweet teeth. Goats have finally really taken off eating their grass, and their little shelter with their little heater out here is working pretty dang good. And he's gonna get shocked. Yeah. How did you not get shocked? They're just getting used to it. You know, these turds. They really are liking this alfalfa hay, but it is kind of high. So I put a normal bale in there. They haven't really messed with it at all, but they still got lots of grass too, and they've been chowing down on that. But we got them mineral block and all that stuff that they need, so they're doing pretty good. They're growing slowly but surely, and we're still giving them 1 or 2 bottles a day, and kind of slowly weaning them off. But hopefully we can get him off the bottle. He got shocked that time, didn't he? He's mad now. He's gonna go in his shelter and just lay down. He's tired of it. Tired of it. This electrical fence.
That one has poop all over it.
So this is our dried up garlic. So we're gonna throw it in a blender here, make it into a powder. We're gonna dry it off a little bit more just to make sure that we got all the moisture out of there. And then we can bottle that and we can use this for our seasoning, for our garlic powder. So we have the finely ground powder that we can use, you know, just like you would garlic powder for seasonings and things like that. And then we use the larger stuff that didn't want to break down. And we can use this, you know, we can put some butter in a frying pan or whatever in a cast iron and then throw some chunks of this stuff in there and cook it down. And basically you can put that in soups or stews or you know, just cook it up, make sauce out of it and stuff like that. So it just work like basically fresh garlic. You just have to reconstitute it. It's just dried now and it'll last a lot longer in the pantry.